We always get heard, we always get listened to.
One platform, one login, one portal.
I don't think I've ever heard the word no. It was quite a struggle. Multiple entities of businesses working on multiple platforms, all having different processes, policies, even different systems, and it was an absolute minefield.
My first impression of the landscape when I joined was it was a little fragmented. The 5 businesses into one doesn't translate very well in terms of applications. My challenge when I joined was to consolidate this into systems that we thought were fit for purpose and fit for the future moving forwards.
Separate systems caused us issues with duplicated paperwork, a lot of wasted time waiting for documents to come back to us. With 5 separate companies before we went to Core Highways, we had 5 different platforms.
Ultimately, it's the last step in Core Highways rebrand, moving over to this one way of working on one system. Everyone was kind of working to one standardised documentation, whether it be risk assessments and method statements or data protection policy. It was all one rather than having 5 separate ones.
It was chosen for a reason. It was chosen for its flexibility and for the ability to have a single pane of glass across the job generation and workforce management, right through from quoting for a job through to the job being delivered and then invoiced. And we hadn't had that through our previous systems.
Every job we have is on reflow, so every bit of information, everything you do is straight up on your phone, on your app. Reflow app's been very user-friendly, quite self-explanatory, all in all a lot easier than the previous apps we've had.
The feedback I get is really good, it's really positive. They like the app, they like everything in one place. The app really leads them through the process of setting up and creating a job on the ground, making sure that they're compliant in terms of the evidence they provided.
Working with them has been great fun. I don't think I've ever heard the word no. Even on some of the requests have been absolutely crazy.
It is an easy platform to use, much smoother than any other platform that I've operated. And I've been in the industry now 21 years.
The old app, you've got a job on you, which just give you a postcode. You had to go find it, then you had a separate piece of paper with the information, and then another separate piece of paper with your kit list. You had to manually type in your risk assessments. With the Reflow app, it's all just in your job every time.
We can actually now communicate down to operative level from any level within the business where we've never had that communication before. So we've now just opened up that 2-way dialogue that can not only benefit our staff. Now it's all on one platform. It's actually promoted a lot more communication at our operative level as well. We've just introduced the cross-dashboard functionality as well. So that means we can actually support each other from region to region just to take that extra bit of strain away and concentrate on operational delivery rather than internal barriers for working with each other.
Since we've been operating Reflow, the customer feedback has been great. Customers like Reflow, they like the vision, they like the one platform, whereas before we were operating 2 or 3 systems, they would then have to wait for 2 or 3 sets of paperwork. Now with Reflow, it's one platform, one login, one portal, one set of paperwork. The live response from site, the operatives on the field can send their paperwork through their app, and within a set period of time, it's at the customer's portal or at the customer's email address. When you push the button and send them from the site, within I think it's 4 or 5 seconds, that data is also with the customer's email address, and that is a massive improvement from our previous provider.
We have a close working relationship with the development team at Reflow. We like to make suggestions. They are eager and keen to listen to what we're saying. We always get heard, we always get listened to. Reflow value us and will take our opinion into account.